Welcome to English literature class. Today we will study about sonnet. So this lecture is very significant for English literature students. So a sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. A sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. It expresses one single thought. The theme of the sonnet is love, friendship, courtship. But many poets wrote sonnets on personal, religious, and controversial topics. It has a fixed rhyme scheme. Now, the types of sonnets. So, there are two types of sonnets. First one, Petrarchan sonnet, and second one, Shakespearean sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet is also known as Italian sonnet and Miltonic sonnet, and Shakespearean sonnet is also known as Elizabethan sonnet and English sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet. It was first invented in Italy, and it is associated with the name of great Italian poet Petrarch, and it is also related with the great poet, epic writer John Milton. John Milton, who wrote two greatest epic, Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. So in Petrarchan sonnet, we find an octave and a sestet. Total 14 lines in a sonnet. Okay. So 8 line is equal to an octave, and remaining 6 line is equal to a sestet. So it is divided into two parts, an octave and a sestet. If we further divide an octave, so an octave is divided into two quatrains. Each quatrain has 4 lines. So 2 quatrains is equal to 8 lines, and a sestet is divided into 2 tercets. Tercets is equal to 3 lines. The rhyme scheme of Petrarchan sonnet is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Next, Shakespearean sonnet. William Shakespeare belonged to Elizabethan age. So it is also known as Elizabethan sonnet and English sonnet. In Shakespearean sonnet, we find 3 quatrains and a couplet. Each quatrain has 4 lines. So 3 quatrain is equal to 12 lines. And at the end of the sonnet, we find a couplet, a group of 2 lines. The rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. So we have studied about sonnet, the definition of sonnet, and types of sonnet. So thank you so much.